Okay, picking up from where we were yesterday, let's go ahead and duplicate the noise up channel so we have a noise down channel. Now I do plan on making these a little more interesting later down the line, but I'm moving quite fast, and when I get on these rolls I really like to just throw down very generic placeholders everywhere. Just throw them down, because once you get the progression and the structure sorted, things can really pick up. You can really pick up pace, and you've got all the dopamine going. So I've just moved those across to the right. So these are going to be basically doing the exact opposite of this automation. So let's delete the automation here, and let's open this right up. And we're just going to have this going down. Now I will make the curve a lot more, concave, I guess. And I'll give this one some resonance. Might be a little bit too much, but let's have a listen. Let's bring this threshold down, more ratio on the compressor from the kick. Very cool. What I might do is get rid of this reverb. Let's put in a hybrid reverb, just so it's a different vibe than the noise up sound that we had. Let's try Prism. Tides. We're getting quite a lot of this convulsion, so let's just go for the algorithmic. The compression is a bit too much now. It's kind of got a bit of a tone to it. Let's try the convolution. Try bigger spaces, see what we get here. It's quite nice. We want something nice and simple, so let's have a listen with the build up of the white noise here. I think I could lose the noise clicky things here. In fact, I'm going to get rid of them here as well. Let's go ahead and add a new audio track, and we'll call this noise constant. And let's find a nice atmospheric noise sound, which is long. I kind of like that for a start. And if we were to feed that to, oh man, what was the shortcut again? A return track, Control-Alt-T, terrible. So we'll call this intro noise. And what we'll do is we'll send that off to the noise quite quickly, to the reverb. And then here we can add, I'm going to go for the outer spaces reverb, which I like very much. So we want to extend this loop out, so the way I'm going to do that, even though it's a fairly consistent loop, is I'm going to select a portion of the middle, so this has a start and this has an end. I'm just going to select a portion, duplicate it, hit R to reverse it, and then duplicate the original and the duplicated version, and that will give us a continuous loop over and over. And we do want that ending to play. So that's pretty much perfect. So I will probably play with this and add some effects. Let's try the spectral resonator. I'm going to bring the dry wet down. We're in the key of G, so I'm actually going to choose notes mode, and let's go for G1. And I just want to bring the dry wet up when it's already sending to that reverb. I think that would be kind of cool. Maybe down an octave. Okay, so let's automate that dry wet. We'll have that come up from about here up to the 9th. The stretch could be fun to play with right at the end. So let's stretch it from 17 to 32. Let's see what happens here. And I will add a phaser in there, I think. I just want to see the stretch. It's going to go crazy with the pitch, I think. What if we go the other way? Nope, let's leave that. Let's have this go down to G -1. I really got to get in there. Come on. Yeah, we go. It's too much. Maybe if we go up to G1. Nope, I think we just need to leave that. So let's introduce the let's introduce a phaser. We'll put it after the spectral resonator. Bring the dry wet down. Bring the amount down on the LFO. I'll do it manually. So we'll have the dry wet come up all the way to here. It's got that real cool kind of quite psychedelic phase. Bring the feedback up over that time. So it's very loud, of course. Let's bring the reverb off, maybe around here. Let's just throw an auto pan on this, phasing off. beats mode. I like doing this this particular type of thing, so we can bring it up to get that gating effect. Great.